To activate or deactivate Sabbath mode, press and hold the Sabbath button for 3 seconds, and the button indicator will blink twice and remain on or off. By selecting this feature, LEDs from the electronic controls will not display. The Sabbath button will be the only light displaying. Interior lights will turn off. Ice and water will not dispense. No alarm will ring. The UI does not go to sleep. No sound is generated on the UI. And max cool and max freeze are automatically turned off. For most efficient refrigerator operation, it is recommended to exit Sabbath mode when it is no longer required. Note: if a power outage occurs while in Sabbath mode, the appliance will remain in Sabbath mode when power returns. See your model's owner's manual, quick start guide, or scan the UR code in your refrigerator for additional information.